So in problem number 8, we're given 2 over x plus 1, and I've already set up some of my x values and already put in some of the work here. Just to speed this up a little bit, I notice that in the first fraction here, the 2 is always going to be a 2 in the top, but negative 5 plus 1 is going to be a 4. So this actually is going to reduce down to 1/2. So this value right here is actually going to be what we put in the y spot over here as a fraction. Now, I did this on my calculator just to double check my work here. And the other thing that I'm noticing is that this is a negative, so this should have been a negative 2. Well, that means that this is really a negative 1/2. The next thing, I see a negative 4, so we plug it in. This is going to give me 2 over negative 3. So my answer here in the y column is going to be a negative 2 over 3. Now, I'm showing the first few calculations here just because there's something interesting that happens here on one of the lines. And it's not this one, because negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So this just gives me a final answer of negative 1. And then I keep going. I get to right here where it says 2 over negative 1. And 2 over negative 1 is going to just be negative 2. So far, everything's going fine. Now, when I get to here, I see that this is going to give me 2 over 0. Now, 0 is never allowed to appear in the denominator of a fraction because division by 0 is not defined in our number system. So this right here actually is a big error. On a graph, as a reminder, this is where our vertical asymptote will be. So this is our vertical asymptote. And then we can just pick up with the rest of the problem here. And this right here is going to give me 2 over 1, which is going to give me 2 when we plug in 0. And I'll go ahead and just finish out the last few numbers here. For 1, I'm just going to go straight into the calculator table mode here and just see for 1, that gave me 1. And for 2, I got a value of 2/3.